In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check server monitoring in Cloudways. If your website starts loading slowly or suddenly, shows database connection issues. One of the biggest mistakes is adding a heavy monitoring plugin directly to the site. That usually creates even more load. A better option is to use the monitoring tools already built into Cloudways, since they let you review server health without putting extra pressure on your application. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the monitoring area, understand the main metrics, review historical trends, check which applications are using the most resources, and confirm that alerts are set up properly. To begin, open your browser and go to the Cloudways platform login page. Sign in with your account credentials, then go to the main server section in the top navigation. From there, choose the specific server you want to inspect. This is especially important if you manage more than one cloud instance, because each server has its own performance profile and resource usage. Once you're inside that server, look at the menu on the left and click Monitoring. By default, this opens the summary view. This page gives you a quick snapshot of the 4 most important server resources. You'll see RAM usage, which helps you understand how much memory is currently being consumed. You'll also see CPU usage, which shows how hard the processor is working. Bandwidth usage tracks the amount of data moving in and out of the server. And disk usage shows how much storage space is being used across your files, logs, and databases. This summary is the fastest way to check the general health of the server. If you need to investigate something that happened earlier, switch from Summary to the Details tab. Here, you can dig deeper into historical behavior. Open the metric dropdown and select the specific parameter you want to review, such as idle CPU, free memory, MySQL connections, or auto-healing restarts. Then adjust the time range. You can look at recent activity from the last hour, or expand the view to cover much longer periods, even up to several months. This is useful when you're trying to match a traffic spike or outage with a resource event. If the server hosts multiple websites or applications, go back to the Summary tab and scroll down to Application-Wise Details. Expand that section to see how each application compares. Cloudways will show which apps are taking up more disk space, memory, or CPU, making it much easier to identify the source of a spike. Before you finish, review the monitoring screen one more time and make sure everything looks normal. Also, confirm that Cloudways bot alerts are configured for your preferred notification channels, such as email or Slack, so you can be notified right away if resource usage crosses a critical threshold. That's how to check server monitoring in Cloudways clearly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.